Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix boost unavailable issue in Meta Business Suite. If you're trying to boost a post or an ad, but you see it says that boost is unavailable, you're trying really hard with different options, but it is not working. Then I'll show you what you can do for it. So first you have to simply log in with your Meta Business Suite and then you will be onto this home page. Once you get to this home page, you will see we have option almost everywhere on the screen. So from all these options, we have to simply first find that ad or campaign that we have to boost and it says that post is unavailable. So once you find that post, you just have to simply click onto it. For me, this is a post that I want to boost, but it doesn't allow me to do it. It says that boost unavailable. So if you face this issue, then there could be different reasons. Maybe you haven't added the payment method, you did something wrong while you were creating that campaign or ad. Maybe you chose the wrong audience, or maybe the dates. So in that case, you have to fix it. Or maybe the quality is not really great. Maybe the picture and the videos that you have selected are really bad. The resolution or maybe the aspect ratio isn't correct, therefore it is not allowing. So in that case, you just have to simply add the video or the picture that are correct in aspect ratio and has the best quality or the resolution. So once you work onto it, you will see your ad will be boosted. There will be no issue regarding that boost unavailable. What you can do is open your post again and just simply edit it, or you can just simply check out what sort of issue you're having. Once you open it up, if you see anything in the red, that means something is wrong. Like here the image issue is there, like the quality is not great. So you can just simply see what issue is there, then you just have to simply work onto it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.